Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do it, open calendar application and there we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 21 of June, and there this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event, location of that. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of that, maybe never, maybe every week, what you prefer. Reminder, maybe one day before, we can add more than one. There we have some option. We can access it as important event. We can add this event to another account's calendar. We can add attachment to that and description. After you set all you need, you mustn't add all. We press this icon to save it and we have it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!